cool. You're going to be hung in a minute. It's actually a little bit nerve-wracking when you've seen your lovely boat being looked after so well and all of a sudden somebody else is taking control of it. That's better.
It's like a map of the world, doesn't it?
It's incredible. She's all detached from the crane and they're just going to take the crane away now. And hopefully she'll stand in her stands okay. It's always a little bit nerve-wracking. God, they're so skilled with that thing, it's incredible. Yep, now the hard work begins. See where the straps were. What's this then, workmates? Coffee break?
Yeah. Wedding turkey, make that.
Absolutely. No, we've done brilliantly. Really good.
What are you doing, Dee?
Using a bit of an acidic solution to clean the hull. Lots of diesel marks, diesel yellow, and then just wiping it off and then ready for polishing. So it's, yeah, not too bad. It's coming off quite well.
We've had no people coming giving opinions, haven't we?
No. No.
I'm surprised.
It's quite refreshing, really.
So Kevin and Andrew sanded it using a mechanical sander. It would have been a bit of a nightmare otherwise. We've gone on and cleaned the main hull and started polishing. Kevin has done quite a lot of filling of bits that needed doing, so the rudder had quite a lot of damage to the base of the rudder, and that was actually from when we were in the little harbour in Atwick. It was so rocky, there were lots of debris in the water, and we actually damaged it then, but it was probably damaged before that as well. So that's all been repaired. Just put the first lot of undercoat on today, which looks brilliant. A few more little repairs of fiberglass to do, and still polishing the hull, and once we've done that, maybe tomorrow we might even start getting the antifoul on, so quite exciting. And it's only taken, well, this will be a third full day at it today. So far so good. How's it going?
Sticky.
Yeah. So is that the second coat you're
Yep.
putting on now?
Well, second and third.
So this morning our job is to start painting the antifoul. Kevin started putting on the rudder and the keel, and it's such sticky stuff that it ended up sticking to the roller, and we bought the foam one, which is the one that was recommended, and we've ended up going back to one of the fluffy ones.
So what are you doing? Why are you hovering?
Horrible stuff, it's all drying up paint and yeah.
Second coat.
Yeah, nearly finished actually, yeah. Just got the last final bits to do, but... So what are you actually doing there?
The joint between the what do we call scoop and the hull.
So that bit in there.
Yeah, just this bit here has started to pull out, and there was a few gaps in it. It wasn't leaking, but we thought, well, might as well.
Yeah, and it looks amazing now.
Yeah,
Just...
well, it's all filled up now.
So I've got
sweating all over it.
Kevin on the polisher today, and it's so friggin' hot. It's terrible. There's hardly a breeze today, so it makes it just a bit more hard work. So we come to doing the final jobs, which are cleaning up the chrome work. You can see it looks amazing when it's been done. I mean, there is a bit of mist, obviously. We'll come back to that. But yeah, it looks pretty amazing when you do the chrome work. It looks very shiny. Cleaned most of the deck. Unfortunately, it needs a hose off, but that's the one thing you can't do while the boat's out of the water. And you've got the new antifouling on, so we need to wait until we're in the sea and get seawater on it, as opposed to fresh water at the moment. But yeah, so we're just doing the final jobs now. So what are you doing?
One fender bashing.
Why?
Well, they're all a bit scruffy and sticky.
Yeah, because we've cleaned all the hull of the boat and the hull's beautiful. What we didn't want was fenders with lots of dust, and we've got all the blue dust from when we sanded as well. So yeah, fender cleaning time. Might have a beer with it as well.
That's good. I'll settle for a cup of tea.
Cool. So we've got 8 of them to do. The challenge is on.
So going back in today. We're waiting for them. They've told us 10:30.
This is Turkey.
This is Turkey, so it could be
12 o'clock.
It could be tomorrow at 10. Yeah, so we're just waiting really. Everything's done. We just got to take away these stands and paint under the stands, and then we're in.
There's Andrew. He wanted to see this. In the water, been to a fuel station, had a pump out, and we're sailing. Well, we've got the engine on, so switch the engine off quick. Got 9.3 knots of wind, and it's in the right direction for us, which is fantastic. And that's where we're going, back to Port Iasos. So just where you can see the right hand tip of the green arrow down in that direction. What a lovely sound. Engine's gone off. Apparently we're doing 5 knots.
We won't be able to drop
No, I know.
Isn't it?
Oh, it's so much different. We spent a week just working our socks off. We're not sweating, we're not hot, we're not sticky, and it's lovely. Yeah. And we're sailing.
Yay! We've got 9 knots on the back quarter. Sails are out.
What, 5 knots?
And we're pushing about just over 4 knots.
It's lovely.
4.5 knots.